Stop treating your liver like a filter. In the fallen chronology, you were told your liver is a garbage disposal for your excesses. This is a tenant's lie. In the architect's blueprint, the liver is the first luminary. It is the sun of your internal solar grid. And right now, for most of you, that sun is in total eclipse. In the fourth gate mechanics, the liver is the gatekeeper of blood light. Its job isn't just to process toxins, it is to rectify the frequency of your blood before it reaches the heart. When you feel biologically unanchored, that sense of drifting, irritability, and brain fog, it is because your first luminary is stagnant. You aren't toxic. You are dimmed. The pattern interrupt. You cannot detox a luminary with a juice cleanse. You must re-pressurize it. The liver is governed by the wind of the breath. When your breathing is shallow, the 2-second chest pant of the modern worker, the liver becomes a stagnant pond. It loses its ability to anchor your essence to your flesh. The micro-action. Tonight, before you enter the dream state, perform the 3-round ignition. 1. Place your right hand over your lower right rib cage. 2. Inhale for 4 seconds, specifically pushing your breath against your palm. 3. Hold for 7 seconds, the zenith, and visualize or envision the stagnation in the liver evaporating into gold light. 4. Exhale for 12 seconds. Do this for 3 nights. Watch how the vertigo begins to lift. This is the foundation for the Master 11 year. We are spending 2026 clearing the vessel so you can hold the sovereign lock in 2027. The link is in the bio to join the 2027 waitlist. The Vanguard, sealed. The operative class, now forming. The first gate awaits.